Dear second year student teachers and all the viewers, you are all welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about language acquisition versus language learning in pedagogy of English at primary level. Let's understand what's meant by language acquisition and what's meant by language learning. What are the differences between these two modes of attaining a language? Linguists distinguish between language acquisition and language learning. Children acquire language through a subconscious process. Further, they state that students acquire their mother tongue. To understand it very clearly, let's understand this small case study. In this, I would like to introduce to you two girls. One is Ronnie, the other is Suma. Ronnie is a sales woman. She sells shells and other items to the tourists in Goa beach. You are aware that Goa beach is one international beach. People from different countries come there and they stay there for some time. Ronnie is a sales girl. She sells some items to these tourist people. In order to earn her bread and butter, she persuaded the native speakers to buy her products. During this process, automatically she acquired the language. She speaks the language in a fluent and clear way. She also uses, you find wonderful phonetics also in her way of speaking. Linguists also surprised to observe this because she speaks wonderful English. She never gone to school. She is an illiterate woman. She acquires that language only because of interaction with the English native speakers. During this natural interaction, in order to persuade the tourist people to buy her products, she acquired the language. On the other hand, Suma completed her engineering degree and could not get any job because of lack of language proficiency. She can do well all language exercises. She achieves wonderful marks in examinations, but she cannot use the language for communication. She cannot communicate by using the language. Here we can understand Ronnie acquired the language and Suma learned the language. Ronnie has acquired the language, Suma has learned the language. Language acquisition. Children acquire their mother tongue because of their environment. In order to acquire the language, we need wonderful environment, wonderful exposure to that language. In order to acquire a language, we need a source of natural communication, which is usually mother, the father, or the caregiver. What is the process of language acquisition? Language acquisition is the process by which humans acquire the capacity to use the language effectively for their everyday purposes. Children acquire language through a subconscious process during which they are unaware of grammatical rules. Children attain their mother tongue through this process. Language learning, on the other hand, is not communicative. It is the result of direct instruction in the rules of language. The direct instruction of rules of grammar and other unscientific classroom processes do not help students to acquire the language. In language learning, students have conscious knowledge of the new language and can talk about that language. This clearly explains us, dear student teachers, language learning is not useful to make use of the language for our everyday communication. We need to acquire the language to use that language. We learn the language because of direct instruction of some rules and other conventional classroom practices. Hence, the rules that we learn during learning about grammar may help us to know about the language. We may attend any standard language test, we may achieve wonderful marks, but this learning, this type of knowledge is not useful to us for our communication. Dear student teachers, we are aware that the main purpose of learning any language is communication. That is why we should bear in mind to help our students to acquire the language. Let's understand the differences between learning and acquisition. Learning is artificial and acquisition is natural. Learning is a conscious process, acquisition is subconscious. Learning helps us to attain some information about the language, but acquisition helps us to attain the language. Learning produces the knowledge, acquisition produces the abilities. Dear student teachers, in this connection, we should also know about language acquisition device. It was first stated by Noam Chomsky, a great linguist. The language acquisition device is a hypothetical module of the human mind. First proposed by Noam Chomsky in the 1960s, the language acquisition device concept is an instinctive mental capacity which enables an infant to acquire and produce language. Linguist Noam Chomsky proposed a revolutionary idea. We are all born with an innate knowledge of grammar that serves as the basis for all language acquisition. In other words, for humans, language is a basic instinct. Dear student teachers, Noam Chomsky, a linguist, he states that there is one device in our mind. He named it as language acquisition device. He also stated that this language acquisition device helps us to acquire the language. This is also known as universal grammar. Because of this language acquisition device, we can acquire any language in this world. He also states that language acquisition is biologically triggered off behavior, like walking or any other activity that children learn while they are growing. He states that because of this language acquisition device, we attain the wonderful abilities of acquiring any language in this world. This is all about language acquisition and learning, dear student teachers. Dear student teachers, this is one video that states that language acquisition is very important activity that we should impart in our students, and we should provide our classroom experiences in such a way our students should acquire the language in a natural way. Hence, we should follow this to enable our students to acquire language. Dear student teachers, hope you have understood this small topic. There may be questions in our examinations like this. What are the differences between language acquisition and language learning? What What do you understand by language acquisition? What do you understand by language acquisition device? In this way, you may come across questions in your examination. Dear student teachers, you observe this. The information that is there on slides may helpful to you to prepare your own notes. This will help you to grow well and attain wonderful skills to mold yourself to become